Engineers from Fora Intelligence have unveiled the enhanced capabilities of their new robot GR2, which has learned to get up from the floor on its own and lift dumbbells weighing up to 6.5 kilograms. This impressive robot is an advanced version of the previous model GR1 and significantly surpasses its predecessor in both functionality and design. GR2 stands at 175 centimeters tall, weighs 63 kilograms, and features 53 degrees of freedom, making it much more flexible and capable of performing complex tasks. One of the key improvements in GR2 is its arms, which have 12 degrees of freedom, twice as many as the predecessor. Each arm is equipped with tactile sensors that allow the robot to sense objects, assess their shape and material, and adjust the gripping force in real time. These abilities make the GR2 especially precise and reliable for handling delicate tasks, such as manipulating objects of varying complexity. Engineered Arts has unveiled its latest creation, a new robot named Azy. The company gained recognition for developing the world's most realistic robots, including the well-known robot Amecha. Both Azy and Amecha are highly realistic robots capable of displaying a wide range of facial expressions and engaging in dialogues. In a video released by the company, the two robots engage in a charming conversation thanks to the GPT-4 artificial intelligence embedded in them. These interactions are designed to showcase how robots can imitate conversations, display emotions, and interact with each other or with humans. There isn't much information available about the new robot yet, so we'll be waiting for more updates on this ultra-realistic development. Her language company has introduced the robot doll Peach Crisis Tao Tao, the latest model known for its realistic features. The robot is made from soft silicone, which offers exceptional flexibility and a natural feel. This material delivers lifelike sensations when touched and moved. One of the key highlights of this model is its remarkable softness, making it resemble a real person. The robot's face is crafted with great precision and includes carefully applied makeup that accentuates its natural features. The color of the lips, blush, and eyes is meticulously hand-painted. Her language specializes in creating hyper-realistic silicone robot dolls for collectors. They focus on high-quality materials and unique details, such as natural facial features, soft skin textures, and customization options. And now we are moving to China. Here is Jia, an incredibly realistic humanoid robot developed by a team of engineers from the University of Science and Technology of China, led by Chen Xiaoping. Jia is known as the goddess of robots due to her natural facial expressions, eye movements, and ability to recognize and respond to human facial cues. She can speak both Mandarin and English, engaging in simple conversations like answering weather-related questions or giving compliments. She is equipped with an autonomous navigation system that allows her to move and interact with her environment. She can perform simple gestures, such as bowing or turning her head. The creators are continuously improving her deep learning abilities, with the goal of making her useful in areas such as customer service, caregiving in hospitals and nursing homes, and performing household tasks in the future. Mexican artist Ruben Orosco is a creator of incredibly realistic sculptures of famous people, using materials such as silicone, wood, resin, marble, and even real hair. His works captivate with their detail and lifelike quality, reproducing the tiniest features of the human body and face. The process of creating hyper-realistic sculptures involves numerous stages, each demanding high levels of skill and meticulous attention to detail. Orosco begins with extensive research on the chosen subject. He collects photos and videos from various angles, studying not only facial features but also characteristic expressions, movements, and skin details. This helps him capture unique nuances and create a living presence. Based on the gathered materials, he begins sculpting a life-sized clay model. This process is particularly challenging, as it requires maximum accuracy to convey the shape of the face, wrinkles, pores, and other fine details. Orosco uses tools of various sizes and shapes to create skin textures, small folds, and pores that give the sculpture a natural look. Once the clay model is complete, a mold is created. The model is coated with a layer of silicone that captures every detail precisely. The mold is then reinforced with a plaster or fiberglass shell for durability, preserving the smallest textures and features from the clay model. Into the silicone mold, a special material, often silicone or resin, is poured to create a sculpture that closely resembles human skin. After it sets, the sculpture is removed from the mold, and one of the most labor-intensive stages begins: detailing. Individual hairs, eyelashes, and eyebrows are carefully inserted. Hair is selected to match natural colors and textures, and each strand is manually placed to enhance realism. The sculpture is painted using a multi-layer technique with translucent paints to achieve a natural skin tone and capture delicate nuances. The paints are applied in layers, each adding tone and shade. This process requires patience and precision to create depth and a lifelike color effect. Finally, a protective layer is applied to preserve the color and texture. This protective coating prevents damage and fading, helping the sculpture maintain its appearance over time. Each stage is painstaking and can take several weeks to months, depending on the size and complexity of the piece. A team of biomedical engineers from Japan has developed a special technology that allows 3D printing of organs directly inside the human body, with the hope of simplifying future medical procedures and eventually enabling the printing of a complete human body from scratch. 3D bioprinting is a process where structures resembling natural tissues are printed using living cells and other biological materials to repair damaged organs, tissues, or blood vessels. By incorporating live cells in the printing process, these artificial structures can naturally integrate with the human body and continue to grow. The leader of the Japanese research team stated that the new device is set to revolutionize the field and could create true clones of living humans. According to him, the device is on track for commercialization within the next 5 to 7 years, pending further clinical trials. South Korean company Rainbow Robotics has unveiled RBY-1, the nation's first dual-arm bimanipulator designed for industrial use. This mobile humanoid robot moves on wheels and features 2 manipulators, each with 7 degrees of freedom, and a single leg with 6 degrees of freedom, allowing it to maintain balance and perform precise tasks at heights up to 50 centimeters. The primary aim of RBY-1 is for use in industrial and manufacturing environments, requiring high-speed manipulation and precise movements. The robot can lift and carry objects weighing up to 3 kilograms, with a maximum speed of 2.5 meters per second. RBY-1 also supports AI capabilities, enabling it to adapt to future tasks and utilize advanced technology for increased productivity and automation. However, Optimus isn't the only robot marking the beginning of a new era in robotic technologies. The Chinese are also closing in on American entrepreneurs in this field. Recently, ABB Tech Robotics unveiled an updated version of its latest humanoid robot named the ABB Tech Walker S1. The Walker S1 is an enhanced version of previous models like the Walker X, with improved capabilities for object handling and movement. This bipedal robot is equipped with 2 legs for mobility and 2 arms for manipulating objects. Standing about 1.45 meters tall, it can interact with objects at human level, such as opening doors, lifting packages, and transporting them. Its streamlined, compact design is optimized for safe movement in crowded spaces. The Walker S1 can walk on 2 legs and perform actions that require fine motor skills, such as gripping and moving objects. It features mechanical arms with movable fingers, allowing it to precisely and carefully lift, hold, and move packages without causing damage. At the recent Gundam Next Future Science exhibition, visitors had a unique opportunity to interact with robotics from the Mobile Suit Gundam universe. One of the main highlights was the interactive experience of controlling the arm of the moving Gundam from Gundam Factory Yokohama. This 18-meter-tall robot allows participants to engage in a game of rock, paper, scissors, showcasing the capabilities of modern robot control technologies and demonstrating how similar innovations could be applied in real-world scenarios, such as space missions or disaster response. The Gundam robot was created as part of a project to bring iconic anime characters to life using the latest technologies. It is equipped with a complex system of actuators and sensors, enabling it to perform smooth and precise movements. This year has been remarkably rich in progress in the field of robotics and high technology, with dozens of exhibitions showcasing advanced robots have taken place over the past year. China has traditionally held the lead in this area for several years, with their robots truly astonishing the imagination, and exhibitions featuring Chinese robots have literally taken the internet by storm. However, unexpectedly, Russian robots have also reminded the world of their presence. Recently, an exhibition of advanced humanoid and other types of robots was held in Russia. While Russian robots are certainly behind their Chinese counterparts from a technical perspective, the exhibition this year demonstrated that the gap is not as vast as it once seemed. The exhibition, called the Robot Ball, became a truly significant event in the world of technology and entertainment. It was a large-scale interactive exhibition featuring more than 40 robots from around the world. Visitors not only had the opportunity to witness cutting-edge achievements in robotics, but also to interact with the robots, observing how they engaged with each other and with people. One of the standout participants was Elisa, an anthropomorphic robot created by Russian scientists from the Neurobotics company. Another highlight of the exhibition was the robot Pushkin, who recited poems of his own creation, leaving a strong impression on visitors, particularly school children. The exhibition showcased robots from various categories, ranging from humanoid robots to robot musicians. The Robot Ball event was more than just an exhibition. It was a true celebration of science and technology. Here you could witness robots dancing and interacting with each other, performing complex tasks and assisting people. In this video, we've gathered all the best exhibits from the show, so you can decide for yourself how far Russian robotics has advanced in creating ultra-realistic and sophisticated robotic machines. One of the most interesting events of the show was the duet between the famous Russian singer Nadezhda Babkina and the humanoid robot Arty, where they performed a song together on stage. For the joint performance, they chose the song My Homeland. After the incredible performance, Babkina told journalists that she has always supported experiments in creativity and innovation. The creative collaboration with the advanced humanoid robot equipped with artificial intelligence was a real challenge for her, which she gladly accepted. The vibrant performance showcased a fusion of traditional art and modern technology. Nadezhda Babkina rated the vocal abilities of the humanoid robot from Perm quite highly, but also cautioned against relying too heavily on neural networks. There should always be a sense of balance, the artist believes. As for the robot Arty, it can express emotions, play, sing, and interact with a conversational partner. The development is based on software with motion capture technology, which reproduces human emotions, facial expressions, and gestures. According to the developers, the goal of the project is to present advanced robotics and artificial intelligence capabilities, inspire and entertain audiences, and demonstrate the potential of robots in various areas of life and business. The company Neurobotics also showcased its humanoid robot Betsy at the exhibition, which captured visitors' attention not only with its human-like appearance, but also with its capabilities. This robot is capable of performing a variety of tasks related to diagnostics, health monitoring, and providing psychological support. Betsy can adapt its appearance. It can be dressed in a uniform, have its facial features modified, or have design elements added to match the organization's style. The robot can display various nonverbal signals, such as smiling, nodding, or winking. In addition to medical functions, Betsy is also equipped to offer psychological support, engaging with people in a friendly manner through smiles, winks, and conversation. Moreover, Betsy was designed with a modular construction, allowing for easy software updates and the expansion of its functionality. The company Neurobotics showcased its anthropomorphic robot Pushkin at the exhibition, created using advanced biocontrol technologies. This robot became one of the most memorable figures at the event, where it recited poems by Pushkin, and its appearance was specifically designed to recreate the image of the poet. The developers used a biocontrolled system that allowed visitors to send simple commands to the robot through a special helmet with sensors. The unique feature of the Pushkin robot was not only its ability to read poetry, but also its realistic silicone mask, which closely imitated the poet's facial features. The robot's facial expressions were controlled by 18 servos, ensuring smooth and natural facial movements. In dim lighting or photographs, the robot's face appeared almost indistinguishable from that of a human, leaving a strong impression on visitors. Additionally, the robot could interact with other anthropomorphic robots, making it a key element of the entire exhibition. Canadian developers from the Art Foundation brought their unique robot named Mondo Spider to the exhibition, immediately drawing attention with its unusual design and impressive features. This robot is a massive walking machine that moves using 8 steel legs, powered by a clan linkage mechanism which mimics the movement of a spider. Mondo Spider can carry one person and move at a pace comparable to a brisk walk. The robot weighs about 730 kilograms, measuring 2.4 meters in length, 2.4 meters in width, and 1.5 meters in height. It is equipped with a 24 horsepower electric motor, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 1.2 meters per second, with a range of 14 kilometers on a single charge. Initially, the robot was powered by gasoline engines, but was later upgraded to a fully electric version, making it the world's first zero-emission walking machine. The world's most beautiful humanoid robot with artificial intelligence, created by the Russian company Promobot named Dnyasha, treated all exhibition visitors to delicious ice cream. Dnyasha is a cashier robot with a human appearance. What makes this robot unique is its ability to get acquainted with people, recognize them on return visits, and engage in conversations on both spontaneous and pre-programmed topics. Additionally, thanks to artificial intelligence, Dnyasha has her own personality. A particular point of pride for the specialists is the skin-like covering that makes Dnyasha look less like a plastic doll. It has high elasticity and closely resembles real human skin, allowing the artificial facial muscles to move with great precision. Mornin is the latest humanoid robot introduced by Chinese automotive company Chery, in collaboration with tech partner Amecha. This robot boasts an impressive level of biomimicry, allowing it to mimic human movements and facial expressions thanks to its silicone artificial skin and integrated AI system. Mornin features a silicone face capable of expressing facial movements and mouth motion. The robot is powered by electric motors and runs on a battery fed by an Atlas hydraulic system. Currently, Mornin can reach a walking speed of up to 4 kilometers per hour. Chery positions Mornin not just as a technological achievement, but as a new class of product with a wide range of applications. It is planned that the robot can work in the automotive industry, serve as a guide, salesperson, administrator, as well as a home assistant and caregiver in the future. Chinese engineers have unveiled an upgraded version of their humanoid robot Quavo, developed in collaboration with ABB Robotics and Haier. This robot weighs around 45 kilograms and has 26 degrees of freedom, allowing it to perform complex movements such as walking on various surfaces, jumping up to 20 centimeters, and moving at speeds of up to 4.6 kilometers per hour. Its flexible arms and advanced control system enable the robot to pick up and move objects, perform tasks requiring precise manipulation, and handle delicate operations like household chores, including laundry, plant watering, and clothes drying. Quavo is also equipped with a powerful AI system based on the Huawei Pangu model, providing natural language capabilities, adaptation to new tasks, and integration with other smart devices. The company Booster Robotics has unveiled its new humanoid robot named Booster T1. This robot is a human-like device featuring a high level of embodied intelligence, capable of performing a wide range of movements such as push-ups, ball games, and even complex athletic exercises, including Ip Man-style squats. Booster T1 weighs less than 30 kilograms and stands about 1.1 meters tall, making it easy to carry and convenient to operate. Inside, it's equipped with an Intel i7 processor and an NVIDIA AGX Orin platform, capable of handling up to 200 trillion operations per second, allowing it to efficiently process data from sensors like a depth camera and microphones and respond to its environment. Thanks to its unique motion control system, the robot can perform various actions, from walking to getting up after a fall, and offers over an hour of autonomous operation on a single charge. The British company Morpheus Masks specializes in creating ultra-realistic masks capable of deceiving even the most observant viewers. These masks are crafted using advanced technology and high-quality materials, such as silicone and precise colorants, to achieve a striking resemblance to the human face. The production process involves several stages. First, a digital model of the face is created, followed by the development of a silicone mold that accurately captures details like wrinkles, pores, and skin texture. The company's specialists meticulously refine small details, including eye color, hair texture, and even expression lines, to achieve a truly lifelike result. These masks are in demand across various fields. For example, in the film industry, they are used for special effects and makeup, allowing actors to transform into new characters without complex computer modeling. In security and forensics, these masks aid in operational tasks and experiments. However, the realism of these masks raises certain concerns. They can be misused for criminal purposes, disguising identity, evading surveillance systems, and misleading people. This presents new challenges for society regarding security and identification. Thus, Morpheus Masks development offers substantial opportunities for various industries, but also raises important questions about safety and the ethical implications of their use. Shing Chin 165 is a new realistic silicone robot doll from Star Perry. The main feature of this robotic girl is her ultra-realistic appearance. Soft skin, meticulously crafted texture with the effect of real freckles and a high level of mobility. In the Shing Chin 165 series, special attention is given to the details of the face and body, making it especially popular among collectors. This model attracts buyers with its realistic texture and facial expressions, achieved through a unique painting technique. The freckles adorning the doll's face make her look even more natural and convincing. The head's design also allows for changes in facial expressions, giving her a lifelike appearance. The price of the Shing Chin robot doll is approximately $2,000, depending on the configuration and additional features. For the past 3 years, no GITEX exhibition has been complete without the robot Amecha. Developed by the British company Engineered Arts, Amecha is a remarkable achievement in robotics which offers incredibly realistic interaction and an impressive level of sophistication. The robot's realism stands out even without ultra-realistic skin, setting it apart from other robotic humanoids. With highly precise facial control, Amecha can express a wide range of emotions, from surprise to joy, making it especially appealing for human interaction. Additionally, Amecha is equipped with advanced AI algorithms that enable meaningful conversations, facial recognition, and adaptation to various situations and contexts. Among its latest skills, Amecha has learned to draw, although it seems we might still have to wait to see it walk. One of the most impressive electric car concepts at the exhibition was the Nissan Hyperforce, a supercar with 1,360 horsepower and a design resembling a true Batmobile. The body is made from high-strength carbon fiber, allowing it to accelerate to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2 seconds. The electric vehicle is powered by a high-performance solid-state battery designed for weight optimization. The advanced Nissan e-Force all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction on the road. Interestingly, the driver can choose between 2 driving modes, R for racing and GT for grand touring. In racing mode, the interior is illuminated in red, displaying essential information for motorsport, while in GT mode the cabin is set in blue, providing a comfortable driving experience for long distances. Also making an appearance at the exhibition was Saudi Arabia's first humanoid male robot named Muhammad, developed by the robotics company QSS. The robot's style has been significantly modified, as it was previously dressed in traditional Saudi attire. Thanks to artificial intelligence, Muhammad can speak both Arabic and English. The robot gained widespread recognition during the Deep Fest festival held in Riyadh earlier this spring. During the presentation, Al Arabiya reporter Rawiya Qasim stood next to Muhammad, recording her segment on the event. In the video, the robot can be seen extending its arm to touch her lower back. Qasim reacted by looking sharply at him, raising her hand towards the robot and then resuming the conversation. QSS reviewed the video and incident details, confirming that no deviations from Muhammad's expected behavior occurred during the interaction. Thus, Saudi Arabia's first humanoid robot has turned out to be a rather mischievous character. General Motors brought a luxury, single-seat, vertical takeoff and landing electric airplane to GITEX as part of Cadillac's Hello concept portfolio. The futuristic model was first unveiled at CES 2021, and since then, there has been no news on whether it will become a reality. But the company is definitely leading developments in the new field of aerial mobility. Cadillac is tentatively planning to use a 90 kilowatt per hour electric motor that will help the concepts reach speeds of up to 90 kilometers per hour. The best part is that while flying, you will be able to enjoy the panoramic view below, and in Dubai, it will definitely be very beautiful. The newest car concept, Quintessenza from Turin-based automaker Idle Design, also made a striking appearance at GTEX 2024. With a supercar look in the front and pickup-style convenience in the rear, it offers passengers maximum comfort. The seats can swivel 180 degrees and recline, allowing travelers to enjoy panoramic views of the scenery or stargaze during the ride. Idle Design emphasizes a human-centered design approach, prioritizing comfort and pleasure. The vehicle's interface is located at the top of the steering column, where any smartphone can be docked to display standard dashboard information, which can be configured through smartphone settings. Dubai's economy is advancing at an astonishing pace, and the demand for innovation in next-generation flying transport is also rapidly growing. That is why China's leader in the flying car category, called Xpeng Arrow, had to make an appearance at the exhibition. The most striking concept is an electric vehicle that drives on roads like a sports car, and when needed, unfolds its propellers to fly like a classic eVTOL. Switching between modes takes just 2 minutes, and the concept is already functional and tested. The company plans to further improve the flight control system, ensure safety, and work with the government to address regulatory matters before launching sales. While Xpeng Arrow also offers a more practical SUV model with a small helicopter in the trunk, it's the flying car that truly takes your breath away. Researchers at Wageningen University have developed an unusual robotic manipulator designed for harvesting gerberas. The robot has been in development for over a year and has undergone several improvements, although it is still unclear when it will reach the market. The robot's operation can be briefly described as follows. An overhead camera detects flowers that have fully bloomed and are ready for harvesting. The robot's arm, equipped with a specialized mechanism, approaches the stem just below the flower and moves down to its base, and the mechanism then cuts the stem at the base and transfers the cut flower to a holder. The robot's main task is to accurately locate the base of the stem. It determines the flower's position using a special camera, and the robot's arm then moves about 4 centimeters below the flower. This is the only place where the stem can be, allowing the gripper to easily slide down the stalk and cut the stem more quickly. One of the most famous robots in the world, named Spot from Boston Dynamics, has learned to herd sheep, inspect crops, and even relax in the grass after a long day of work. This has been made possible by the company Rokos, which demonstrated how such a device can be used in agriculture. For now, this is just a demonstration of capabilities that are expected to be implemented in the future. Rokos intends to collaborate with Boston Dynamics to develop a software platform that will enable Spot to perform the actions shown in the video. This means the robot can help to herd sheep, check crop yields, and create real-time maps and routes. According to Rokos, using such robots in agriculture increases food production efficiency, improves crop yield assessment accuracy, and reduces the burden on workers. It's still unclear when the platform will be ready, but with the capabilities of Boston Dynamics robots, it seems very likely that Spot can handle these tasks very soon. A USCA is the world's first robotic chef that can cook eggs, created for the Millennium Hotels and Resorts chain in Singapore. The robot was developed by the startup Quavo Automation, with support from the Singapore Productivity Center to help address labor shortages in hotels and restaurants. This autonomous robot can prepare omelets or fried eggs, using a robotic arm to add oil, crack the eggs, and cook them to perfection. Guests simply place a plate on the robot's platform and select their preferred style of egg preparation. Future plans include expanding the robot's capabilities to cook other types of egg dishes. Notably, AUSCA allows hotels to handle staff shortages more efficiently while adding an interactive element to the service experience. Here is one of the most realistic robotic dolls called Elen, developed by Artificial Human Technology. This model of robotic dolls is designed with a focus on detailed anatomy and natural facial features, making them resemble real people. The primary material used to create the robot is soft silicone, which gives the skin a natural texture and flexibility. The head and neck are fully articulated, allowing the robotic doll to tilt its head realistically and express emotions. Each doll's face is handcrafted, including eyelashes, eyebrows, and other details, making every doll unique. The eyes are made of glass or acrylic, creating a deep and realistic gaze. These robots can be applied in a wide range of fields. The developer company is known for its innovative technology and the ability to customize the robot according to the client's preferences, from facial details to movements and behavior. Stanford students have introduced an improved version of their robot mobile Aloha, mounted on a mobile platform and equipped with 2 robotic arms and a low-profile logistics robot serving as the chassis. Weighing just 75 kilograms and standing 1.5 meters tall, mobile Aloha demonstrated its expertise in unconventional tasks through accelerated and smooth movements. The robot successfully completed actions such as frying shrimp, cleaning tables, washing dishes, and arranging furniture. Achieving an impressive 90% success rate in complex tasks like cooking shrimp and calling elevators after joint training, the robot shows potential for performing various functions. Mobile Aloha is equipped with a remote control system that allows users to simultaneously operate the base and both arms. The research team notes that their system also comes at a very low cost of around $32,000 compared to other robots designed for household assistants. Another interesting project from YouTuber J Laser Video was his attempt to create a real hoverboard inspired by Back to the Future. The idea of building a device that can hover above the ground using ground effect is quite ambitious. This physical effect creates an air cushion that allows the object to stay above the surface without touching it. To build the hoverboard, J Laser Video explored various levitation technologies, including magnetic levitation and the use of superconductors, but ultimately decided to use electric jet engines that generate an air cushion similar to that used in hovercrafts. The hoverboard was successfully tested on different surfaces including asphalt and grass, but like in Back to the Future 2, it couldn't effectively operate over water. Despite this, the hoverboard consistently hovered at a low height, demonstrating its potential for real-life use. This adorable robot was also created in the land of the rising sun. Japanese developers are planning to relaunch a robot cafe where customers will be served by the lovely robots from the project Masiro. These robots will greet visitors, escort them to their tables, and fully take care of orders and service. The robot waitress has facial recognition capabilities thanks to a built-in camera placed on her elegant headband. She can move her neck, nod to guests, and look at them using her LCD display eyes. The right hand of the robot girl is equipped with a portable heater designed to warm the hands of customers in cold weather. The developers say that having anime-style robots serve cafe customers is just the first phase of the project. The creators dream of a world where every home has its own robot maid. Alter 3 is the latest humanoid robot developed by researchers from the University of Tokyo in collaboration with Osaka University, integrated with the powerful AI model GPT-4. This enables the robot to perform complex movements and imitate human behavior using simple verbal commands. Alter 3 can instantly generate and execute tasks like take a selfie or act like a ghost through text instructions converted into code. Alter 3 is also equipped with 43 degrees of freedom, allowing it to accurately mimic upper body movements. It can display detailed emotions through facial expressions and gestures, such as surprise or joy. Although the robot cannot move since its lower part is fixed to a platform, it can perform dynamic actions like simulating walking or pretending to play a musical instrument. The Cheetah robot developed by Boston Dynamics with support from DARPA has become a breakthrough in robotic industry. One of the key goals of the project was to create a robot capable of outrunning humans and being used in military rescue and humanitarian missions. Cheetah gained recognition for its ability to achieve incredible speed for a four-legged robot. In laboratory tests, it reached a record speed of 45.5 kilometers per hour on a treadmill, surpassing the world sprint record holder Usain Bolt, whose top speed was 44.7 kilometers per hour. This result was made possible by an advanced control system and a more powerful pump that powers the robot's hydraulic actuators. The innovative humanoid robot called MentiBot was developed by Menti Robotics Company and is a flexible robot that mimics human movements. It can walk in any direction, run, balance, squat, and turn in place. This robot is designed to perform complex tasks using artificial intelligence and integrated machine learning systems. MentiBot is equipped with advanced computer vision systems and the ability to create a 3D map of its environment in real time. It can move at a speed of about 1.5 meters per second, allowing it to navigate various spaces efficiently. The robot also demonstrates flexibility in its movements, can avoid obstacles, and adjust its actions depending on the task at hand. Let's move on to other tech world news. Engineers from MIT have unveiled the smart table called Transform. It consists of 3 dynamic surfaces with thousands of servos, controlled by a computer that monitors the environment using sensors. When you wave a hand over the Transform, small surface elements come to life. The device can roll a ball along a complex path on its surface or mimic a wave. Although the primary function of this prototype, according to its creators, is to impress viewers with its unique transformations and the aesthetics of a complex machine in motion, they plan to apply these concepts to smart furniture in the future. They are currently working on enabling the servos to move in 2 planes. While for now, this device is more of a high-tech interior decoration, the day isn't far off when you can walk into a living room, make a simple hand gesture, and watch as a chair and table smoothly transform into a bed and bedside table. Kawasaki is one of the few companies making serious advancements in the development of multifunctional robotic humanoids. Recently, the company showcased the progress of their advanced robot named Friends, designed for entertainment, care, and support in hospitals and nursing homes. Developers did not specify whether it can communicate in natural language at the moment, but this feature will definitely be added in the future. The robot stands 168 centimeters tall and weighs 54 kilograms. It can lift up to 10 kilograms and walk at a speed of 3 kilometers per hour, powered by batteries. The Japanese see robots as friends and helpers in everyday life, and it's possible that in the future, Friends will also be produced for home use. Chinese engineers from PND Robotics Company have unveiled their first biomimetic robot named Atom, which boasts impressive capabilities, bringing it closer to replicating real human movements. The robot stands 1.6 meters tall and weighs 60 kilograms. It features 25 degrees of freedom, allowing it to perform complex movements with high precision. Atom was designed using actuators with torque up to 340 Newton meters, providing it with stability and the ability to navigate challenging terrains, such as uneven roads and inclined surfaces. One of Atom's key features is its ability to learn through motion imitation. Using motion capture and machine learning technologies, it can replicate human movements, including walking, running, and even jumping. Here you see one of the most intricate manual processes of wig making by skilled Korean artisans. One of the initial steps is selecting natural or synthetic hair. Natural hair requires special preparation, including washing, straightening, and matching by texture and color to ensure a natural look that meets the client's requirements. The wig base is a mesh or material onto which the hair is attached. The mesh can be made from various materials, including a thin, breathable fabric that looks natural when worn. The base is crafted individually, taking into account the client's head shape. The most crucial stage is weaving each individual hair into the mesh by hand. This technique, called single hair knotting, involves the artisan using a small hook or needle to thread the hair through the mesh and secure it with tiny knots. Depending on the wig or toupee style, the hair can be woven at specific angles to create volume and a natural look. One of the most challenging and important stages is creating the front hairline. This is done with great care to ensure the hair looks as natural as possible and the wig's edge is nearly invisible. The artisan must ensure the hair density is even throughout the wig. Based on the client's preferences and wig style, the hair can be denser at the crown and sparser at the edges. Once all the hair is woven, the wig is cut and styled. The artisan shapes the hair to the desired length and style according to the client's preferences. A hairdryer or straightener may be used to achieve a particular texture. The hair is often set with light styling products to help the wig retain its shape and style longer. The artisan checks the fit and comfort of the wig on the client's head. Adjustments may be made to the fit or density as needed. The wig is also checked for durability and the quality of the hair weaving to ensure it will wear well and look natural over time. Despite the advent of new wig-making technologies, handcrafting remains the best way to achieve the highest quality results. Andy Eva Artificial Intelligence has developed the Andy Eva brand, which specializes in producing realistic silicone robot dolls, distinguished by their high-quality craftsmanship and innovative technology. Andy Eva products are renowned for closely resembling human skin, thanks to the use of ultra-soft platinum silicone. The robot dolls are also equipped with movable heads and deep neck channels, adding to their realistic feel. The models come in different sizes, including options with heights of 162 and 172 centimeters. These robotic companions are designed with user preferences in mind and are used for both artistic purposes and as companions. Special attention is given to details like the fingers and feet, making them even more lifelike. The price of ABB robot dolls ranges from $2,000 to $2,500. ABB Robotics Company is actively implementing robotic solutions for food packaging automation, with a standout example being the pepperami salami packaging system at the Unilever plant in Ansbach, Germany. This facility uses high-speed robots named FlexPicker IRB 360, specifically designed for the fast and precise sorting and packaging of small items such as salami snacks. The robots are equipped with unique grippers that can simultaneously pick up multiple salami sticks and place them into packaging machines. The entire process is managed by an image processing system that tracks the position of each product on the conveyor and relays the information to the main computer. This enables the robots to operate with exceptional precision and efficiency. With the introduction of this system, the packaging line's productivity at the plant has increased by 25% compared to manual labor. Additionally, the robots handle delicate products carefully, avoiding any damage during packaging. The use of automated systems like those from ABB Robotics showcases how technology can enhance efficiency and speed in manufacturing processes, reducing dependency on manual labor and ensuring consistent product quality. IHMC Robotics has developed Llama, a quadruped robot designed for efficient navigation across complex and uneven terrains. Originally developed in collaboration with NASA, its capabilities were later enhanced through a cooperative robotics initiative with the U.S. Army Research Laboratory. The primary role of the robot is to accompany military units, moving at the same speed as infantry, while traversing challenging terrain where traditional wheeled or tracked vehicles cannot pass. Llama utilizes advanced sensors like LiDAR to create real-time terrain maps. This robot is particularly promising for military missions and reconnaissance operations in difficult-to-navigate environments. Here is Alfred, a chef robot created by Dnyasha Robotics and installed at the Bon Appetit restaurant in Boston to address labor shortages and increase kitchen efficiency. Alfred specializes in preparing salads and dishes, using advanced artificial intelligence that continually learns and adapts its actions. Over time, the robot becomes faster and more accurate, ensuring consistent food quality while reducing waste and contamination risks. What makes Alfred unique is its ability to prepare up to 25 dishes per hour. It's equipped with sensors to monitor ingredient availability, allowing it to maintain precise proportions when preparing meals. Founded in 2018, Dnyasha Robotics Company developed Alfred to tackle labor shortages in the restaurant industry and improve operational efficiency. The company operates on a robot-as-a-service model where clients pay based on the number of dishes prepared, making the solution economically viable for restaurants. The robot is also actively used on U.S. military bases. The company Yarbo has introduced its autonomous robot called the Yarbo Blower, designed for automatic leaf and debris clearing over large areas. This robotic blower is the world's first autonomous solution capable of generating an airspeed of up to 190 miles per hour and moving up to 760 cubic feet of air per minute. The Yarbo blower can precisely follow designated routes, avoiding obstacles and efficiently cleaning the area. A single battery charge provides 70 minutes of operation, after which the robot automatically returns to its charging station. Its multifunctional modular design allows for the use of various attachments to perform tasks such as snow removal or lawn mowing. On a farm, the Yarbo blower can be used to maintain cleanliness in open spaces like yards, pathways, and fields. A team of researchers from University College London has developed an innovative quadruped robot called RoboHike. This robot is designed for autonomous navigation across complex and hard-to-reach terrains. The goal of the project is to equip robots with the ability to efficiently model, identify, and map safe routes on rugged landscapes. RoboHike's primary applications include fields like agriculture, forestry, construction, and search and rescue operations. It can be used to automate labor-intensive and dangerous tasks, such as monitoring remote farmland, assessing pasture conditions, and performing work in areas where human presence is difficult or impossible. The technology combines autonomous navigation systems, sensors, and machine learning to accurately determine safe routes and mitigate risks when operating in extreme environments. Engineers from Seoul National University of Science and Technology have developed an intriguing device. What you see is a rather unusual machine that moves through the air. Meet the Polytron, a hybrid of a pallet and a drone capable of delivering your cargo weighing up to 3 kilograms anywhere you need with minimal effort on your part. The Polytron maintains balance, responds to your commands, and skillfully manages its flight even if the load is unevenly distributed. The device only requires your control to know where to go. Interestingly, the developers taught the device to differentiate between the force exerted by the load on the cart and the force applied by a person instructing the Polytron to lower itself. Let us know in the comments if you'd like to have such a device at home to send it to the kitchen for your lunch. Let's move on to other news. The Chinese flying car manufacturer Xpeng Arrow HT has introduced a real production version of the modular six-wheeled concept land aircraft carrier. Pre-orders are now available for the next generation of this flying carrier, priced at $280,000. However, the first units will be delivered to owners only in 2026. The 5.5-meter-long vehicle is equipped with an internal combustion engine that charges the batteries and allows it to cover 1,000 kilometers. In the cargo compartment, there's a passenger flying apparatus that can automatically land and dock with the carrier. It can perform 5 to 6 short flights, though the exact range hasn't been specified yet. Public testing is expected in November. Engineers from the Italian Institute of Technology have introduced their new development, the SoftFoot Pro prosthetic foot, which provides users with more natural mobility and stability, especially when moving across uneven surfaces. Unlike traditional prosthetics, SoftFoot Pro is equipped with flexible elements that allow the sole to adapt to terrain and obstacles. At its core is a system of 5 durable plastic chains connected by elastic elements, mimicking the biomechanics of human foot ligaments and bones. Weighing only around 450 grams, SoftFoot Pro supports loads up to 100 kilograms and is also waterproof, making it suitable for outdoor use, including on grass or sand. Specialists at Disney Research Labs have developed a teleoperated robot whose manipulators are powered by hydraulics and pneumatics. The robot is equipped with 2 manipulators, each with 4 degrees of freedom, and a pair of cameras mounted on a rotating head. Each manipulator uses 4 identical hydraulic cylinders, which can operate with regular water as the hydraulic fluid. The operator controls the robot using VR goggles and a special controller. According to the developers, the use of hydraulics and pneumatics in teleoperated robots allows for more precise replication of the operator's movements than using cables. In a demonstration video, the operator uses the robot to play a xylophone, move a chicken egg, thread a needle, and even play patty cake. At the Hannover Messe 2019, ABB showcased the Mini Factory of the Future, where Yumi robots demonstrated how automation and digitalization can enable mass customization of products. In this unique process, Yumi assembled personalized wristwatches in just 3 minutes, highlighting the flexibility and precision of modern manufacturing technologies. This mini factory serves as a model for the future, where production processes can quickly adapt to changing customer demands and produce custom-made products. The central element of the factory of the future was the digital twin, a technology that allows real-time optimization of production lines without disrupting operations. This enables manufacturers to make changes to processes and test them before physically implementing them on the line. As a dual-arm collaborative robot, Yumi performed complex tasks with high precision during the demonstration. The flexible SuperTrack transport system moved components between workstations, synchronizing all operations for watch assembly. This demonstration illustrated how digitalization and automation can transform production lines into more flexible and efficient systems. Here is the mass production process for creating high-quality silicone, which will be used in the future to create ultra-realistic skin for robotic humanoids. The entire process takes place in a specialized factory. This type of silicone is popular not only for robot skin, but also for making specialized cookware and children's products, thanks to its softness, health safety, and durability. The production process begins with the preparation of silicone, a raw material that arrives in a soft, malleable form. Silicone can come in various colors and is mixed with dyes if colored products are needed. The silicone is heated and placed into special molds. These molds, made of metal, use high pressure and temperature to shape the silicone as needed. After shaping, the silicone is cooled to harden and acquire the necessary durability. Once cooled, the items are processed to remove excess edges and undergo quality checks, which sometimes include manual finishing. Each stage of production is accompanied by strict quality control. The factory's manufacturing process utilizes automated technologies, allowing for high-volume production while maintaining high-quality standards. The production line for frozen pizza is a fully automated process that leverages advanced technology to create a high-quality product with minimal labor and resource use. The process begins with dough preparation, where large machines mix and roll the dough to form the pizza base. After this, the dough moves to the ingredient application station, where technologies like waterfall applicators and servo motors are used to evenly distribute tomato sauce, cheese, and various toppings such as pepperoni, mushrooms, and vegetables. Once the pizzas are topped, they move into a freezing chamber, where they are chilled for about 20 minutes at around -20 degrees to preserve freshness and flavor. Finally, the pizzas are automatically packaged, allowing them to maintain a long shelf life and providing convenience for the consumer. Automation on these lines enables the production of hundreds of pizzas per minute, helping companies meet high demand, reduce labor costs, and increase overall productivity. YouTuber Jay Laser Video, known as Jake Laser, created an incredible flying Iron Man suit that actually flies to him on command, just like in the movies. This project, which took him an immense amount of time, features a high-tech electric jetpack powered by numerous small electric motors. Initially, he faced many issues, such as overheating and stability problems when using larger motors, but by redesigning the setup and adding onboard computers to control the flight, he achieved stable flight. Furthermore, Jake implemented a feature where parts of the suit can autonomously fly to him, just like Iron Man's armor in the movies. The project was very costly. Jake spent tens of thousands of dollars on specialized jet engines, batteries, and other components. Despite numerous setbacks, he persisted and ultimately succeeded in creating a functional suit that not only flies, but can also be summoned to its owner, much like Tony Stark's armor in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Here is a unique process for creating mannequins at a workshop in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. The Vietnamese craftsmen demonstrate their detailed and skillful approach to mannequin making, from building the frame to final finishing touches. In the initial stage, workers assemble the mannequin base. The frame is often made from materials like fiberglass or plastic, which are both lightweight and durable. Molds or templates are frequently used during this phase to ensure the correct anatomical structure. After the frame assembly, craftsmen carefully sand the mannequin's surface until it is perfectly smooth. Various tools, including sanding machines, help prepare the base for painting. Workers apply multiple layers of paint to give the mannequin a natural look, paying special attention to the face, where features like eyes, lips, and eyebrows are painted by hand. Fine brushes and paint are used to achieve precise and realistic details. Once the painting process is complete, the mannequins can be dressed in different clothing if required by the client. In some cases, wigs and accessories are also added. Experienced craftsmen work on each step of the assembly process, from sanding to painting and styling. They use both manual labor and specialized equipment to create each mannequin with high precision. Production is organized so that all staff work harmoniously and with focus, giving each mannequin a unique and lifelike appearance. This bipedal robot, Cassie, created by Agility Robotics, became famous for setting a world record in the 100-meter dash among robotic creations. The world record for humans in the 100 meters is held by the legendary Jamaican sprinter Usain Bolt, who ran the distance in 9.58 seconds in 2009. In comparison, Agility Robotics' robot ran this distance in 24.73 seconds. While this isn't a record for humans, it was enough to set a Guinness World Record for bipedal robotic devices. Agility Robotics developed Cassie in 2017, with the design based at Oregon State University. In 2021, Cassie managed to complete a 5-kilometer distance in under 1 hour. To achieve this, developers used machine learning algorithms that helped the robot learn to run, utilizing unique biomechanics and knees that bend like those of an ostrich. Overall, this is the record holder for bipedal robotic mechanisms. Engineers from Japan have developed an autonomous robot named TruckBot, which is designed to automate the unloading of trucks and containers. This robot can unload up to 1,000 boxes per hour, addressing one of the most labor-intensive tasks in warehouses and distribution centers. TruckBot is equipped with a telescopic manipulator that can extend up to 15 meters inside a truck or container. It uses motion control systems and a multi-channel suction gripper, allowing it to handle loads of up to 22 kilograms, including packages with complex shapes. The robot is operated through the Mugen controller software platform, which enables real-time autonomous decision-making, optimizing routes and gripping strategies to improve productivity. The development took over 6 years, and TruckBot made its debut at the ProMat 2023 exhibition in Chicago, impressing attendees with its ability to work without human intervention. Creating a realistic hand prosthesis is not merely a technological process, but an art form that requires meticulous craftsmanship, advanced technology, and an understanding of human anatomy. It all begins with an accurate mold of the patient's residual limb, which is made to ensure a perfect fit for the future prosthesis. This mold becomes the template for further work, where every detail matters, from the placement of bones and muscles to the unique features of the skin. The specialist's skill shines in the phase of forming a plastic model, which serves as the initial draft of the hand until ideal comfort and fit are achieved. Once the base is ready, a special foam material is applied, carefully cut, and shaped into the form of a hand, closely resembling a real one. Great attention is paid to even the smallest details, including skin texture, tiny folds, and even nails. Afterward, the prosthesis is covered with silicone skin, which is crafted to match the patient's skin tone, allowing for a natural appearance. This skin not only looks real, but also feels lifelike, making the prosthesis a part of the body rather than just an artificial structure. The process takes into account the patient's individual characteristics, such as skin color, finger shape, and even wrinkles, to make the prosthesis as natural as possible. Beyond aesthetics, modern prostheses incorporate high-tech solutions like electrodes, sensors, and even machine learning algorithms that allow the user to control hand movements, feel pressure, and confidently grip objects. The Chinese company Unitri Robotics has unveiled the high-tech robotic arm Z1, designed to complement their well-known quadruped robots like Alien Go and B1. The Z1 stands out due to its 6-axis harmonic force control, providing exceptional flexibility and agility, allowing it to perform delicate and complex tasks with precision. Weighing just over 4 kilograms, the Z1 robotic arm comes in 2 versions, Air and Pro. The lighter Air model has a lifting capacity of up to 2 kilograms, while the Pro model can lift up to 5 kilograms. Its precision is remarkable, with an accuracy level of 0.1 millimeters, making it ideal for applications requiring meticulous movements, such as in industrial or research environments. The arm is designed for seamless integration with Unitri's robotic dogs, enabling them to perform tasks like opening doors, carrying objects, and even pouring liquids. The creation of artificial eyes and facial prosthetics is not just a medical process, it combines art and science, requiring immense skill and attention to detail. Artificial eyes are crafted by hand, and each one is unique. The process begins with making a precise mold of the patient's eye socket. Then, an ocularist carefully hand-paints the iris to achieve realism, replicating the natural colors and textures of the patient's eye. This requires time and great attention to the smallest details, ensuring the finished eye not only looks natural, but also reflects individual characteristics, including blood vessel color and iris shape. Materials such as polymers are used to ensure durability and realism. Facial prosthetics, including ears, noses, and parts of the face, are also created to match the patient's individual features. The process starts with a mold of the affected area, from which a model is made to serve as the base for the prosthetic. Layers of silicone are then added and hand-painted to match the patient's skin tone. These prosthetics can be attached with magnets or adhesive, ensuring a secure fit on the face. Korean engineers from Samsung have introduced the perfect transport solution to transform the lives of students and anyone working on a laptop. WorkNick is a scooter with a built-in folding desk. The gadget's name is a play on the words work plus picnic, which literally reflects the idea of working outdoors. It looks like a futuristic minimalist gray electric scooter. You sit on it with your feet positioned on footrests at the base, Once the user finds a quiet, comfortable spot, they can deploy the kickstand and activate wheel locks. One side unfolds into a work desk, and the other into a small stool. Worknick's handlebars feature 2 outlets, useful for charging a laptop or smartphone. Based on the renders, the scooter includes a built-in 120 ampere-hours battery. YouTuber Jake Carlini, known for his unusual and creative projects, decided to build a real hovercraft. In his video, he showcased the process of creating a flying vehicle capable of hovering over the ground. Using accessible materials like wood and simple components, Jake assembled a hovercraft with an air cushion. The main challenge was to create a stable cushion under the vehicle. To achieve this, Jake installed powerful fans and designed a special skirt that trapped air beneath the hovercraft, providing lift. The project required numerous experiments and adjustments, especially to balance the machine's weight and power. The final result demonstrated a hovercraft capable of smoothly moving over grass and pavement. LuxMed Company specializes in creating ultra-realistic silicone limb prosthetics, including custom hand and foot prostheses. These prosthetics are crafted to accurately replicate skin tones, textures, and details like veins and wrinkles, achieving an almost indistinguishable resemblance to natural limbs. Each prosthetic is custom-made using silicone that is molded and painted to match the user's unique anatomy and appearance, reaching up to 98% similarity with remaining limbs. The prosthetics not only restore appearance but also provide partial functionality, such as basic grip and touch, helping users regain a sense of normalcy. LuxMed is known for its personalized approach to patients, receiving high praise for tailored care and quality results. Robodogs also have their own world record holder in the 100-meter dash. Recently, the robot dog Hound set the fastest time for this distance among similar devices, establishing a new record. The robot was designed at the Dynamic Control and Robot Design Laboratory of the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology. Hound weighs 45 kilograms and can run 100 meters at an average speed of 18.12 kilometers per hour, completing the distance in 19.87 seconds. At a normal speed of 3 meters per second, it can traverse grass, cover long distances, and climb slopes with a 22-degree incline. The design includes hip and knee drive modules in a parallel configuration with a hollow shaft, and it is also equipped with a planetary gearbox for greater movement efficiency. Hound's development was aided by reinforcement learning,